All right, the market is closed February 19th. S&P minus 7.23, Dow Jones plus 0.65, Nasdaq plus 9.10. So could have caught in between there. The market falling back a little bit. All right, let's check out LMFA. 14.79 million float, lower float, 29 million market cap. LM Funding announced a settlement of Bork Technologies loan agreement. So let's see here. Operates specialty finance company. Yeah, we've talked about this one many times too, probably before. Going back to 2018, late near 2019, says this gap rate to 3. Yeah, for a year, this went lower, 1 to 50 cents. 50 cents has bounced all the way up to 4.75. And then we came crashing down hard with this gap down. 50 cents, it tried to break through. That was in late September. Then the back and forth chop, like channel, back and forth. Then we explode up. Look at these two volume bars, these candles. Or not the candles, these bars, volume bars they are. Exploded up, came back down. We found support at the 20 EMA 150, broke up again. Now, you can see a line here. This is what FinViz has too. I noticed that right here. You draw a line right there, and you have the high getting lower. And the low is pretty much holding this 150. So we're sort of like squeezing in between here. Tried to push up today past 2. We're in this 2 battle. If this breaks up next week, you could easily see 225, 250. I'm guessing we pull back again, watch 175, 150. There's the lines here. Sort of a trend line here, but not much. So, that's the move there. And you can see these candles didn't hold. See, it's filled and fell down, filled and fell down again. So this is where we are here. We're caught in between this 2 line. Still trying to hold these levels. So the volume is much lower then. We're not getting those spikes yet. See, these spikes are much higher on the up levels. So, that's the big move on LMFA. We're sort of waiting here, see what the next move will be. VXRX. 25 million float, 108 million market cap. A pharma company develops, commercializes products for hospital and acute care settings. All right, so this is the one we called too. This had the big gap down. We channeled $1 to 125, broke up to 175. Then your low got higher right here. The low got higher here, bounced up to 2. So the high got higher, and we came down again. So I like the way this is moving here. This is forming right here. You put a line. So this is forming really, the low's getting higher here. Nice little up, dip by, up, dip by. And, is this going to hold right here? It's sort of like trying to turn on stochastics. So this is the first big green candle. Then we got to break above and start to move up again. It would blow past 2. So I like the way this is moving now. There's nothing out of the ordinary with this move. From here to here. 150 needs to hold though. If we get below, then it blows this trend line. But overall, I like we get into the gap again and get plus 250 to near 3 plus on this VXRX. So, that's where we stand on that. TMBR. $6.6 million float, 27 million market cap. Done this one before too. Clinical stage medical dermatology company, development of commercialization of pharmaceuticals for treatment of orphan dermatologic diseases. Now, we call this one, I said when this was coming down, this was at 75, said watch for the break of 1. I said watch this 150 line. We did a nice pullback here to 125. This explodes up to 3, exactly the call I had, the 3. So it was a big 3 line. I thought we'd go there. I'm not sure if we would break it. And now we're pulling back. So this is a normal pullback. We had a big run, 150 to 3. That's a double. So is it coming back to 2? Is it coming back to 175 or back to 150? A really deep pullback. You see the volume's much lower on this, so that tells me I don't think it's going to be that deep. So I'm watching these levels here and this level. And then we're trying to have new bases here. See up here, one base, pretty much 125. Now there's no real base right here till you get to 225. That's why I say we ran up so strong, it needs to pull back and find your base here. So that's basically it. And then if we come back here, you work your way back up to 3. If it's 2, you got to work your way back to 3 again, and then we'll see if we can get past 3. So insider zone 45%, institutions 20%. So we'll see on this one. Nothing's really out of the ordinary here. This is a normal move. When you move from here, you base, you bottom, then we went all the way up and nice ride up, basically from 75 cents. So that's a long move. So that's it on these 3. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Check out TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. All right, that's it. Peace.